Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your BMW 5 Series key fob battery. First, identify your specific key fob model, as designs can vary slightly. Next, gather your essential tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new coin cell battery. Ensuring you have the correct battery size, often a CR2032 or CR2450, is crucial for a successful replacement. To begin, locate the small release button on your key fob and press it to remove the metal valet key. This key often reveals a small gap or can be used to gently pry open the fob. Insert the valet key or a small flathead screwdriver into the gap and carefully separate the two halves of the casing. Avoid using excessive force to prevent any damage to the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery from its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 or CR2450 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards, just like the old one was. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear and feel them snap securely shut. Finally, slide the metal valet key back into its slot. Now, test all the key fob's functions, such as locking, unlocking, and trunk release, to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.